The one thing that I wanted to participate was the opportunity to showing people my beautiful home state, Arunachal Pradesh. Miss the most. I think my family and my friends definitely. Like nothing else matters to me. My family and my friends. So I have a very strict mother. I was raised. I was like she made sure that I learned everything from a very tender age. So that I'm not scared about because cooking, cleaning, everything I know. But to do it for a lot of people, that is a bit scary because cooking for 20 people, cleaning for 20 people, that is like a bit of a task. Do a project, film project, or like anything of that sort, you are given a character and you act according to that. But here I am going to be my real self. So it does scares me a bit, but I think I'll be able to do it because I'm not very complicated in life. See, I won't be able to control anything inside but me, but myself. I'll try and keep my calm. अगर फिर भी कुछ if they are still poking and poking, I'll poke back. My personal favorite is from season 13, Siddharth Shukla, rest in peace. He was really nice. The way he performed and did things, I really liked.
Hello everyone, welcome to Times of India TV. I'm Vijay Tiwari and today I'm in conversation with the Bigg Boss 18 contestant Chum, and she's all set to enter the house. So first of all, welcome to Times of India, Chum.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for having me.
It's my pleasure. And tell me, excited, nervousness, what is the feeling right now? Because within 2-3 days you will be entering the house.
The feeling, it's mixed. Nervousness, excitement. Like I'm more nervous than excited. Like I'm both, but I'm more nervous because there's something new that I'm going to do. So yeah.
So what is the most exciting factor about Bigg Boss 18 that prompted you to take up this show?
So I've been telling this to everybody. The one thing that I wanted to participate was the opportunity to showing people my beautiful home state, Arunachal Pradesh. So because once I enter, people will be curious about me. They'll want to know who is this girl, where is she from. So that will, I think, help people understand more about myself and my state. That is one of the reasons why I wanted to participate.
Okay. And have you seen the show previously? Any of the seasons?
Not really. I've not. But I know about it. Thoda sa. I've watched bits and pieces, so I know a little bit about the format and all. But it keeps changing, so it's gonna be something new this year.
Yeah. So you tell me, the exciting part you have already shared. What is that one thing that scares you about Bigg Boss 18? That if I should go or I shouldn't go, is this decision right, or what?
The decision has been made already, so there's no backing out. But I'm nervous. Why? Because I'm going to share my space, my personal space. There's nothing personal now. It's out there for the world to see, and sharing space with strangers, that's gonna be a bit challenging. And when I was confirmed, I was told about the list of things that I can bring and I cannot. So I was really shocked, and I got scared then because watches not allowed, journal not allowed, books not allowed. So I was like a bit taken aback.
So what is that one thing that you are going to miss the most in the house?
Miss the most? I think my family and my friends, definitely. Like nothing else matters to me. My family and my friends.
No materialistic things? Anything that you are attached
to? No. Just people, like important people.
Yeah. So
my phone also a little bit.
Yeah, we all, we are so...
I can live with it.
Yeah. So tell me, Chum, as you just mentioned that, I'll be sharing my space with other people. Apart from that, you are required to do household chores on your own, So how good are you at that?
So I have a very strict mother. I was raised, she made sure that I learned everything from a very tender age. So that I'm not scared about because cooking, cleaning, everything I know. But to do it for a lot of people, that is a bit scary because cooking for 20 people, cleaning for 20 people, that is like a bit of a task. So that might create some problem for me inside.
Yeah. And this is your first TV show, and that too a reality show.
Yes.
So does that, bother you? Because this is a show of a kind where, as celebrities, you always show the perfect side of your life, whether it's beauty, whether it is talent, everything is so perfect on social media, in interviews, or the characters you play. Sometimes there are flawed characters. But this is a show of a kind where you will be judged 24/7 on the basis of a person you are. And your flaws will be out there to be judged. Does that bother you, that thought, that I'll be watched 24/7 and also judged?
That it does a little bit, but I'm not worried about it because why? See, when you do a project, film project, or like anything of that sort, you are given a character and you act according to that. But here I am going to be my real self, so it does scares me a bit. But I think I'll be able to do it because I'm not very complicated in life, and I think that this attitude of mine is going to help me. So I'm not that worried, but I'm a little bit worried because everybody has their opinion, right? Many men, many minds. So that part is a bit tricky. Otherwise, I'm not that worried about things.
Yeah, but in this day and age where social media is, so out there, everywhere, social media, and there are comments where people troll others, on basis of color, gender, body shaming, face shaming, you name it, and it is there on social media.
Correct.
So does that bother you? Any of your moves can be judged outside in a negative way. हो सकता है ना, right?
So yeah, I believe everybody is entitled to their opinion, and I'm not somebody to say कि तुम ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते, आप ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. वो मैं like, and I've signed up for this, so I'm ready for those kind of judgments also, because वो तो आने वाला है. See, people, if you do good things also, they'll judge. If you do bad things, they'll judge. So you can't make the world happy.
Yeah.
You can only make yourself happy. So I'll work on that. I'll try and be at my best. And अगर फिर भी लोग judge करते हैं, तो that's not on me. I'll take it as it comes.
Yeah. And when it comes to Bigg Boss, every season there are contestants. Some of them, specially come to a show where they want their 15 minutes of fame, where they will go to any extent to poke you, to irritate you. How are you going to handle those fights?
I won't be able to control anything inside but myself. I'll try and keep my calm. अगर फिर भी कुछ, if they are still poking, I'll poke back.
Yeah. What are the things that Chum gets angry at, or what makes her furious? She can't stand
disrespect. Disrespect of any kind, I won't tolerate. There is something I'm very sure of. कि अगर disrespect of any form, okay, I cannot. So that is something which might trigger me, and because I'm not that person. So if that happens with me, you're gonna get something out of me.
Yeah.
Something bad.
Yeah. And what was your family's reaction to your participation?
So my family, they're very happy, and my best friend, she's a big fan of the show. So she's, I think, most
happiest,
excited. Yeah. And my mother, I had a telephonic conversation with her the other day. I called her to tell her that I'm going to participate in Bigg Boss. And I told her that, Mummy, hum Bigg Boss mein participate kar rahe hai. So she was like, Bigg Boss, that show where people fight. And I was like, yeah. And she was like, oh, then you're going to win. Okay.
Yeah.
Because my family knows me, my friends knows me. Abhi, like we were discussing, people are gonna judge me. Let's see what they have to. But I signed up for this, and now there's no turning back.
Also, do you think, Chum, there might be a language barrier for you? How are you going to take or face that challenge? Because this is
So
a Hindi
in
show, and there's
yes,
always a
yes,
reminder given to
correct.
you, don't speak in
Hmm.
English.
So during the interview also with the team, they were like, "Are you sure you wanna participate? Because language could be a barrier." So I come from Arunachal Pradesh, and there in only in Arunachal Pradesh there are 28 major tribes and more than 100 sub tribes. Okay, and every tribe there, they have a different dialect.
Yeah.
So Hindi is the common language that we speak there. कोई अरुणाचली लैंग्वेज होता नहीं है, तो हम लोग हिंदी में बात करते हैं. तो आई डोंट थिंक लैंग्वेज बैरियर होगा. माय हिंदी कुड बी अ बिट डिफरेंट,
Awesome.
लाइक उसको क्या बोलते हैं, स्ट्रिलिंग पुलिंग में हो सकता है थोड़ा सा यहाँ
हाँ.
वहाँ, बट आई अदरवाइज आई स्पीक गुड हिंदी, very good
Yeah.
Hindi if
Yeah.
I want to.
Yeah. You have been part of films, but do you think Big Boss can be a game changer for you in terms of, the reach that the show gives to the contestants? And are you aiming
Definitely.
that?
Definitely. Like it comes with the, it's like a package. Okay, wo to, like the reach is gonna be there for sure, because everybody watches Big Boss. It's a massive show. People are gonna follow the journey, and if they like me, they'll follow me also. It's gonna help me definitely.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And how excited are you to meet Salman Khan on the
I'm very
premiere day?
excited. Very excited. Oh my god, I was like telling everybody that to see somebody, because I've seen him on screen, and to see him in person, it's gonna be like,
Yeah.
it's gonna be like I'm like super excited. My family, they are like more than excited.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be it's another level of excitement. Like Big Boss is happening, okay, but Salman Khan is also gonna be there. So it's like,
Yeah,
so
and he's very close to Arunachal Pradesh also. He keeps
yeah,
visiting that
he
place and
visited.
promoted.
Yes, he was there. But that place where he visited was, it's like 8 hours away from my hometown, so I couldn't go.
Yeah. Huh.
But I couldn't, because I was else doing something else also, so I couldn't meet him. But
Yeah.
see, it's happening now.
So, as we were discussing household chores, is there any particular thing that you have a little hygiene problem, or you don't want to do, you don't wish to do?
See, I don't think I'll be able to choose, but some things, like clearly, it's like it's not something that we do, right? But for people also, so I think wo thoda sa, it's gonna be a challenge. But in the end of the day, it's a competition, right?
Yeah.
So I'll have to do things if I have to do it, and I'll do it.
Yeah. Anyone from the industry you have shared the news with that you're going inside, or anyone that from the industry they have shared?
Not really, because we're not supposed to tell people right now. So only my friends and my family knows.
Yeah. And last question, we discussed the household duties and everything. But what are the things that you can't share with people? You have a problem sharing with others.
So it was bed and bathroom, obviously, but then I have no
choice.
I can't do anything about it, because I said yes to it. Now I'll have to live with it.
Yeah. Any message to the fans who will be watching you on Big Boss 18?
I would like to request all of you to follow my journey inside the house, and please show your support, show your give me your love, and please vote for me. I'll try and be at my best, and I definitely will be needing your support. So please come forward and support me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just before signing off, I know that you said you have not seen the seasons, but do you know any of the previous contestants, and anything that you have seen on Instagram, or probably know about their popularity, and you must have liked them? Anyone from the previous lot?
There are a lot, but my personal favorite is from season 13, Siddharth Shukla, rest in peace. He was really nice. The way he performed and did things, I really liked him.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Shum. It was a pleasure talking to you. All the best
Thank
for
you
the
so
show.
much.
Hope you rock inside
so
and
much. Thank you
entertain
so
us. Yeah.
I will make sure of that. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Take care.
Bye.